If you want to use progress meter in your Python loops, then you can use tqdm. As you can see on your screen, this is a very simple Python code which is looping through an iterator, and I'm going to use tqdm in it. So let me first show you, and then I'll explain how to install and how to use it. So Python tqdm, so test dot, this is my code. So as you can see, it is just looping through that for loop and showing you the progress bar on the screen. And there sky is the limit here. There are a lot of use cases which you can use, especially if you are doing the distributed programming. Now installation is very simple. All you need to do is to use pip install tqdm, and that's it. It will install tqdm on your system, and then as you can see, we are importing this tqdm in the first line, and then we are simply enclosing our iterator with this tqdm, and this is working like a charm. Now, as a fun fact, tqdm derives from the Arabic word taqaddum, which can mean progress, and is an abbreviation for I love you so much in Spanish, or in Spanish we would say te quiero demasiado. So very nifty tool, very cool tool, without much overhead. I haven't seen much overhead. Even if I go through the Boto 3 API and try to pull out lot of API calls from lot of cloud services, the overhead is negligible and the progress bar works like a charm. If you haven't used it so far, I would highly suggest you embed it in your iterator, especially if your loops run for some time period. Thanks for watching.